Bro, you are not Mario.
Bro, I don't know what you're talking about. Hey, Paisano! You want some spaghetti?
Yeah, get away.
Hey, you'll never escape from me! You'll never escape! You want some spaghetti? Some ravioli?
You may be Mario, but are you Luigi?
Mario, I don't know what you're talking about! What are you doing?
No.
Mario, you need to take your meds! They don't make me creative, Luigi!
No.
Mario, what are you
Turn to
doing?
Wario.
Yes, hello! Have a rotten day!
Yoshi. Nah.
It is I, Waluigi!
Bro needs to be the cast.
Nah, man, I could be everyone.